Welcome, I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we are making meatloaf. This recipe is so easy, but perfect and juicy every time. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, we are going to mince our bell pepper. Just like so, we do not want big chunks of bell peppers in this recipe. Next, we're going to mince our onion. Just like so, now go ahead and set this aside. In a large bowl, we are going to crack our eggs. We're going to give that a whisk. Add your milk. We're going to add our crackers. I'm just going to break them up into crumbs. Now add it to your breadcrumbs. Then just kind of give that a toss. Now add it to the eggs. Give it a good mix. Now let it sit for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, this is how it's looking. It is nice and soft. So now we are going to add our meat to it. Now go ahead and give that a good mix. Just like so. Now add your veggies and give that a mix. Now we're going to season with onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, chicken bouillon, smoked paprika, W sauce. Now we're going to give this a good mix. Now we are going to take our loaf pan and we are going to fill it up. So we're just going to press it down until it is nice and smooth on top. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees and we're going to bake this for 50 minutes. Now we are going to make a glaze to go on top of our meatloaf. We are going to add ketchup into a bowl, mustard, W sauce, barbecue sauce, and some brown sugar. Now go ahead and give that a mix, just like so. Take my glaze sauce and I'm just going to brush it right on top. Now go ahead and set your oven to boil because we will be putting this back in the oven until it is nice and sticky on top. Just like so. Now go ahead and stick it back in the oven. And this should take us to the end of this recipe. Hello guys, so my meatloaf is ready. Take a look. Doesn't it look amazing? It is nice and juicy, guys, and I need a bite. That is so good. It is nice and moist. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.